This is planet Earth. Earth is a diverse place, full of life, ecosystems, and bugs. On Earth, there are more than 10 quintillion insects alive. Insects and bugs are everywhere. One could be looking at you right now. Typically, bugs are found outside of nature. In fact, it's best when they are found in nature, where they belong. Inside this frame alone, there could be more than 1 million insects looking at you. Now let's take a look at some of the bugs that live out in nature. We have spiders that crawl around. And you've got your ants. You got red ants and you got black ants, carpenter ants, and all different kind of ants. Look at this creepy spider. I wouldn't mess with it if I were you. Let's just let him walk along and we'll go on our way. Then we also have bees, hornets, and wasps. Watch out, they might sting you. Look at this friendly caterpillar eating its leaf with its friend. Not all insects are bad. Some are pretty good. Some are good for the environment and help us out. But again, watch out for spiders. Spiders are everywhere. You don't want to walk in their webs. Most insects like to enter your home in the wintertime. If you're cold, they're probably cold too. So they'll just come inside and find a nice cozy place to warm up for the winter and then go back out on their way during the summertime. But if not, we'll have a solution to fix your problems. Get rid of those bugs for you. The best way to get rid of bugs is just burn the place down to the ground. Once your house is burned down, call the fire department to clean up. It's the most effective way in getting rid of insects and your home. You'll be left without a home, but rest assured there won't be any insects inside of it. If your home is still standing, just do your best to tear it down and make sure that there's not a bug left inside. And on the bright side, you can now move into a bug-free home, and any bugs that might have been inside are hopefully gone and back in nature. So let's keep bugs where they belong and out in nature, and we can find a place for ourselves.